emergency. As you can clearly see, there's absolutely nothing happening here. There's 1 mile-an-hour winds. There's no rain at all. The sun is about to come out. It's going to be a great day. Matter of fact, we should head to the golf course. Reporting live for Hurricane Irene. It's something severe out here. There's at least 10 mile-an-hour winds. As you can see, the umbrella's just, I can barely hold on. Help me. It's going to be something fierce, but we're going to make it through it. Thank you, Jesus. It's going to be okay. It's calmed down. If you, oh, look at that. It's something. At least 2 mile-an-hour winds here live, nowhere near any ocean or any damage whatsoever, and it's just going to be a great day. All right, reporting live. We'll report back later. Goodbye.
The sun goes out as the world shaking, praying loud. But it is pouring, it reaches my skin. So what is wrong with another sin? The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. Well, this is got new places to go. I've got to leave it. Time on the job. Desire's coming, it breaks out loud. Lost is the cages, and storm breaks loose. Just help to make it, we still wanna choose. The night is calling, I have to go. And Bobby's hungry, he runs the show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win on the hot tonight for